What's up, guys? We made it here to Halong, well, not to Halong Bay yet, but we're at the port that will, where we're gonna get on the boats to get to Halong Bay. I'm not really sure which one is the one I'm gonna be going on to because I think our van said that we're gonna be splitting up over here into two groups. Really, we got lucky according to our guide. He said, you know, it was kind of chilly when we were at Hanoi. So here it's like 75 degrees right now. I think it's perfect. I'm gonna need to switch to shorts because I was wearing like sweatpants and a hoodie earlier. Anyway. All right, made it to our boat that will take us to our actual boat. So this is just a transportation boat. This is not the cruise I'm gonna be on, luckily. It's gonna be much larger than this, I hope. Anyway, gotta put these life jackets on before we head out, and we will start on heading to our actual boat. See you in a bit. We made it to our room. It's nice, actually a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. It comes with a two beds and a full bathroom. Actually, could fit 3 people in here. Full bathroom and our own shower. So, pretty good view from in here too. So we have a pretty big windows. So I think right now we have some free time before our lunch in about a half hour. So I think we're just gonna hang around, maybe go upstairs and hang out. Alright guys, I think we made it. We are pretty much inside Halong Bay area. So we just had lunch. We are gonna start some of our activities. First things first is we're gonna go to a cave to walk around inside there for about an hour or so. After which we're gonna get back on the boat, and then we are going for a second activity, which we have an option of either going swimming at the beach or climbing up, I forget the name of one of the mountains here, or hills, or rocks, I guess, and go hiking up there and get some cool views. I think I'm gonna go hiking just because it's kind of chilly right now. It's not really swimming weather, but I also want to get pretty cool views of the surroundings here. So I think I'm gonna do that. Anyway, we are really close by, so I'm going to take a couple more shots here. Definitely taking a lot of photos, and then I will see you in the cave. Some really tight spaces in there. It's actually a really cool cave, actually. We call it the surprise cave because there's a lot of surprises here, and I can see that. A lot of rock formations shaped like just random animals naturally, so wow. Alright, we made it to the highest peak of this cave. As you can see behind me, it's a spectacular view. It's just really amazing. Unfortunately, it's a little cloudy, so it's a bit hard to take pictures, but you know, I'm not complaining. It is still beautiful over here. Can't complain at all. So I'm gonna take a couple more videos and some photos, and I think we're gonna head back to our boat, and then we're gonna do, I think, some hiking, and some people are gonna do some swimming. So. So today we had an option of either climbing up that hill or going to the beach. We have another 20 minutes and I already climbed up there, so we're gonna go to the beach because, well, there's nothing else to do, and also I want to do it. So here's the beach. All right, my sandals are there still. Anyway, water seems kind of cold, but I'm gonna go in there anyway, at least try to put my feet in because it's hot out. Well, it was hot outside. I'm a little sweaty from all the climbing. Anyway, let's try it out. It's not bad. I mean, I wouldn't jump in all the way, but it's refreshing on the feet. I will say that. That's one thing. Oh, you know what? There we go. Is that a better view behind me? How was that? Water is actually really refreshing on my feet, so I have like 20-25 more minutes, so I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit. Ooh, good morning, guys. Just woke up here at Halong Bay. We are moving. Morning at 6:30 a.m. there's a free Tai Chi class, which I think I'm gonna try out right now. Alright guys, just finished some Tai Chi. I'm sure I look really awkward there and stiff, but we are about to, we're moving somewhere, I'm not really sure where, but we're gonna go have breakfast now in a sec, and then we will, I think we're gonna do some kayaking around here. Still really cloudy, but beautiful morning, you know, even with all the clouds, and I can't really see all that well with all my hair. Just the shadows of all the rock formations behind it. It's just incredibly beautiful. I know it's probably really hard to capture on film, but if you come here, you'll understand. It is just spectacular and amazing and magnificent to just be here and see all this on this boat. So highly recommend it if you ever get the chance. Definitely do the Tai Chi in the morning. You will be awkward just like me, but you know, it's worth a try. What other moment in your life can you say you're doing Tai Chi on a boat in the middle of Halong Bay, surrounded by this scenery? So that's kind of my motto and how I travel. So I did it, and we're gonna have breakfast now, and then we will go kayaking. Found a cave. Wow, this is really cool. Did not expect this cave to be here. Mission accomplished, because I did not really expect that, and that's what I was looking for. So really big cave. I think a fair amount of people will find this eventually, but did not expect this. And now we found it, and it's a pretty cool view. Nice little climb up here, not too far in. But I think we gotta head back to the boat now because we only have 15 minutes and we have to kayak back there. Alright, I'm just gonna say it. But I'm eating cantaloupe. It's really starting to feel like an 8th grade dance. Or the disco lights. It's so cheesy, I love it actually. Oh, they turned it off. They heard me.